Come test drive the 2020 Escalade ESV. The Cadillac Escalade ESV is a longer version of the Escalade. The ESV is a large, luxurious SUV that delivers performance and style. Classy and powerful, it looks great for a night on the town or can haul everything needed for a weekend getaway. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, traction control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.